Thambi Thangakumaran to present the preamble of college achievement, the annual report.
His Excellency, the Most Reverend Dr. Vincent Maupoulos, the Bishop, our Chairman, cum Manager, Secretary of the College, Reverend Father Jose Bright, our Bursa, Reverend Father Robinson, Reverend Fathers, Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. T.P. Sashikumar, Panchayat President, Mr. Sashikumar, Parent Representative, Dr. Ramachandran, Reverend Sister Christy, Reverend Sisters, dignitaries, well-wishers, parents, and my dear friends. This is the 22nd College Day. May I start with acknowledging that God has been with us through yet another year. We are a set of 176 dedicated teachers, of which 52 are PhDs, 13 are NET or set holders. We are 2092 students. We have 5 gold, 64 ranks, 78% pass in last summer's exam. Those who took the exam in November makes the pass percentage roughly 90%. Our college aims at wholesome development. We want good citizens with social concerns, achievers in academics, arts, science, and sports in that order. Dear achievers, a piece of advice for you: set your goals really high. Don't ever think you're on top of the world. It's nice to get a rank, but aim higher. The sky is the limit. We have 64 ranks and 630 people have left the campus, which means 1 out of 10 people, students in last year's class, was a university rank holder. Hats off. The younger students, please look at your seniors and try to outdo them. So that will do you good. Our academic year started on 19/6 with orientation conducted by Dr. Jojo, Dr. Sukesh, and Dr. Thampi. We are happy to say Dr. Shaila and Dr. Rakesh took the online Swayam refresher course. Our library has started acquiring DVDs. Library has also registered for Enlist. We have 4 new research centers. Classes start at 9:35. The 3 to 4 hours utilized for competitive exam for the first year, certificate course for the second year, project for the third year, and net coaching for the PGs. May I say, the development of a child is best when the student, the parent, and the teacher and the institution work together for his or her development. I am proud to say that the PTA meets twice a year with 90+% attendance. Students are called frequently and encouraged. As for the stress of the students, we are happy to say that Reverend Father Bernard and Reverend Sister Blessy counsel the students on a regular basis. 72 boys and 64 girls have benefited out of it. The academic year is planned not only with class teaching. We have workshops where experts from others come and help our students. We conduct seminars, send our students for seminars. Extension activity is also done, and industrial interactions too. We invite people from reputed institutions for the same. Here you see on the screen the ELISA test, which is conducted for biochemistry students. Computer students at hands-on workshop on robotics. You have the Department of Commerce conducting the SPSS workshop, and we are really happy that the person who did it was one of our parents, and he was formerly from Center for Development Studies. Students at the Tissue Culture Laboratory, biotechnology students at a workshop on budding. You have the greenhouse with drip irrigation. What the students see here, they take to their homes. Immunoblotting laboratory, which is a biotechnology workshop. The head of the mathematics department from Kerala, University of the Central University, Calicut, conducting a seminar in the Department of Maths. Workshop on vermicomposting for microbiology students. Students from MSW at the Cancer Research Center. Once again, a visit to the home for the mentally challenged. At the tribal camp in Wayanad, cancer awareness street play. We encourage our students to take the class, what they have learnt in class, to the streets. There's a library visit by the Department of English. For the English students, the library is their laboratory. Here you have the English students at an international conference on language and literature. Department of Geology on a field visit. Chemistry students at Kudamkulam. This is a spray pyrolysis unit for the research department of physics. Hands-on workshop for BCA students on cyber security. BBA students on IV. We are happy to say that our research section has also been strengthened this year. Dr. Manju Shah from biotechnology was awarded a DST project, and I think it is the first DST project after a very, very long time. Hats off. Mr. Godwin from 3rd UG Biotechnology was awarded a fellowship of 20,000 by Indian Academy of Sciences for his internship at IISc Bangalore. Mr. Arun of PG Physics joined VSSC as a project associate. One of our Life Sciences students joined Cancer Center. Department of Physics, Maths, Microbiology, Computer Sciences have been recognized as research centers by the MS University. In all, we are fortunate to have published 77 research papers in peer-reviewed journals. Our faculty not only teach in college here, they are in demand outside also. Here we have Dr. Lipton acting as resource person in Scott Christian College. It's one of the oldest colleges, incidentally, in our country. The head of the geology department acting as research person in Rohini College. The college believes in conducting extension programs for the people in and around this place. We have Maxibus 2019, which is an exhibition which is aimed at showcasing the skills of the students in and around our place. We care for society through awareness rallies, house construction programs, food parcel distribution. Now, you are going to see is purely a student initiative. We are really proud of the students who came forward to build a house for one among them. The students also came forward to distribute 5,200 lunch parcels in government hospitals in Trivandrum. Now, let me say, this is the highest which a college has donated to hospitals in Trivandrum. The next is MG College Trivandrum, which donated around 500, if I remember right. Now, here we have an NSS rally on de-addiction. NSS children with disaster management, yoga class, hospital cleansing, road safety awareness. Please take the road safety awareness to your homes. It really works. To fulfill our concern to the community through the college linkage program, which includes socio-medical surveys, medical camps, competitive exam coaching, income generation programs with MCC staff, student and public participation. Here you see the inaugural of the program, socio-medical survey, planning, evaluation, mushroom cultivation, which has generated revenue for people in villages, and training sessions. We train our students and send them to attend competitions, both academic and cultural. What we have shown is just a very small percentage of what the children have taken part. Here you have winners at a quiz competition in Scott Christian College. Malankara family is proud of its team of arts participants, which won the overall championship at NMCC, where 42 colleges participated. Hats off to each one of you, the people who trained them. We are also overall champions in Mara Frame. We have a few more championships. Unfortunately, because of time, we cannot showcase everything. We organized and take part in blood donation camps. Our students donated 88 units of blood, some in the campus. The girls donated in the campus, and the boys went on to the district level to donate blood. The boys also went to hospitals to save lives by donating blood. Thank you, all of you, for your effort. Our college has a strength of 92 students, of which roughly 63% are girls. Now, normally we expect girls to do a certain kind of job. Now we want to push them still further. 63% of the girls, they are given motivational lectures, car, bike driving, confidence building measures for interviews. Now we have Sister Gerardine, Dr. Gerardine, and Professor Immaculate addressing girls on Women's Day. We have the Rexona Group of Hindustan Unilever training people on confidence building measures. Here you see girls selling the jewels which they made at Maxibus. I'm sorry, there's a problem with the slide. We'll have to put up with it. Now the girls here say, we too can drive. We are happy to say that Mrs. Shiny Phillip, who was an Olympian, was the chief guest for Sports Day. Here we have the Inspector of Police flagging off the sports rally run, Mrs. Shiny Philip distributing prizes. Let me close by saying that we are really thankful for the past year and the achievements for which we want to thank God first. I want to thank the bishop and the others in the management for their encouragement and guidance. Let me thank Reverend Father Jose Bright, Reverend Father Robinson, and Reverend Sister Christie for sharing the administrative burdens of the college. Dear colleagues, both teaching and non-teaching, a big thanks for you for all the cooperation. Dear students, may I, on behalf of the college, wish you all the best for the years to come. I wish the rank holders, the prospective rank holders, and all the other students all the best. May God bless you. Thank you.